Hi there, I'm Francois. My original wireframe was done on Adobe XD. This is the one I showed in my previous video. Although XD is a fantastic tool for prototyping, I really feel that downloading anything from Adobe always gives me a lot of extra files. These are useful for easy syncing to Adobe's Creative Cloud and work seamlessly with other apps from Adobe like Photoshop and Illustrator. However, this can easily clutter up your disk space, and I wanted something simple to use for creating a wire prototype for ChemCount. This is why I thought I'd try the 30-day free trial from Sketch. The Sketch app used to be a single purchase app, but now you can get it for a subscription fee. Sketch is relatively easy to use, and unlike XD, was one of the apps used to demonstrate prototyping in my iOS course. I wasn't always convinced that designing my app like this would be useful, and I always just wanted to get started with writing the code for my app. I now see the importance of taking time to design something first. And although you can use a tool like Sketch, you could even draw your design with pen and paper, which will make such a difference in validating your idea to yourself before coding. So before I even started using Sketch, I decided to make sense of my idea by drawing a flowchart and then from this drawing the wireframe. These design steps are crucial because although they initially require you to take some time out to think about the flow of your app and what you want it to look like, that time is won back when you get stuck later on, and you can refer back to it to make sense of where you need to go next. I used my 30-day free trial to redesign my wireframe, but still kept most of the essential functionality. It took me some time to figure out where things were, but once I had, Sketch was extremely intuitive to use. You can use templates from a variety of sources on the internet, which can help inspire you to create a great design. Some of the sites that I came across was Sketch App Resources and Sketch Repo. I use some templates from Apple, which you can get on their Human Interface Guidelines website. The UI templates from Apple helped me get a sense of what my app would look like after building it in Xcode's interface builder. This gives one the opportunity to be able to put the elements into the wireframe that would be in the final app. Elements like navigation bars, tab bars, table views, buttons, etc. I only had a month to play with the Sketch app, and I know that there is still so much more to uncover. One thing that impressed me was the way you could design a symbol and then change it in one place, and the change would be replicated in all my artboards using that symbol. Also, the app makes prototyping very easy. You can make connections between your artboards, which simulates what would happen if a user taps on a button or a table view cell in your app. This is extremely useful because it gives you an idea of how your app may behave before even writing a single line of code. You can test this prototype of your wireframe by clicking the play button in the top right corner of your app, or by downloading the Sketch Mirror app from the App Store and then test the app on your smartphone. By the time this video is published, my free trial would have ended. One thing that I did get to try out was the app icon design template. I already have a designed app icon from my previous work on my app, but I wanted to see how easy it was to design an icon with Sketch. I was not disappointed because it took me just under 20 minutes to put together a rough design. The template was so useful because not only could you see how your app icon would scale for different sizes, but you could also see how it would look on a phone screen. Sketch is available for $9 per month and has an app which can be downloaded for the Mac, or you can do your design on the web application. The Sketch Mirror app is free to download and connects very easily via a cable or Wi-Fi. When connecting wirelessly, you should ensure both your computer and phone has the latest software and is connected to the same network. I will definitely use Sketch again if I need to design an app or website. I think the app is a joy to use, and I know there is so much more I still need to explore on it. If you have an app or website idea, why not use Sketch to help you get your idea out there so that you can show others, and also so that you can validate to yourself that the idea is worth it. Try it out at sketch.com. I will leave a link in the description below. Thanks for watching.